Many people went to their local stores to stock up on supplies before the storm reached our area. NBC4's Alan Henry is joining us live from the Storm Team 4 Mobile Weather Lab. Alan, first, where are you and what exactly are you seeing?
Well, Jen, like you mentioned at the top of the show there, we are driving through Madison County right now. And as you can see, taking a look outside, there are people driving slowly but surely here. A lot of them have those hazard lights on, making their way through these roads, which within the last half hour, I'd say, have quickly become covered with this snow and become a little bit more slick. We're driving really slow out here as well. And in anticipation of all of this snow, several people were out and about today making sure that they had everything they needed ready to go.
Yeah, we're kind of used to it. It's always hit or miss around here, but this one kind of looks like a sure thing.
Rob Clark is the owner of Golden Bear Lawn Care. He was one of several people who stopped in a Nutter Hardware today.
We've had a steady stream all day. You know, people are getting ready for what nature might throw their way.
Buying everything from salt and shovels to kerosene.
Getting some extra ice melt. That's it. That's all I'm just picking it up, getting ready, so I have it on hand.
I made sure my snowblower was working correctly. I bought some ice melt, put on the sidewalks and stoops, so when the delivery men come and the mailmen come to deliver everything or anything at my home, it's safe enough for them.
Clark was also loading up, preparing to take his plow to the streets bright and early.
It all depends when it comes down. I usually go out, I'll probably start with 4 inches or so I'm thinking I'll be getting an early start, maybe 5 in the morning or so.
But when it comes to possibly being stuck at home, many say the pandemic has already prepared them just for that.
I've been staying at home as much as I can, and my wife's working from home, so that's nice too.
I think people have probably gotten used to hunkering down, right? So they're probably all pretty stocked up.
And again, here's another look at 70 East heading through Madison County towards Columbus. We're going to continue to follow the road conditions out here in the Storm Team 4 Mobile Weather Lab. I'll have another live update on what those roads look like coming up in just a few moments. But for now, live and local for you, Alan Henry, NBC4.
All right, Alan, thank you so much.